It's a demon.
It's not a diesel.
Alright, so now you're gonna do some grinding?
Yeah, so to get the new engine in, we will have to put in some new motor mounts. So these will have to come out and those will have to come out. And then new mounts will be welded in, as well as a couple other things that need to be taken off. The bolt needs to be cut off and stuff like that. And this is getting a long arm suspension kit put in it, so the arms are gonna, this arm and part of this one will be cut off, and a new bracket will be bolted in and welded in. And then there's a few other little brackets that need to be cut off as well, so the engine will fit in there nice and clear everything so it doesn't rub when it torques.
Sweet.
Yeah, it should be good. Good times. So we got all the mounts off, got them all prepped, got the frame all prepped and ready for Ben to come in and do his bit and do all the welding to put in the two new brackets. He'll locate it to where they need to be. Ben's done a few of them, so we're pretty confident in his ability and stuff. So
Nothing's broke yet.
Are you all done?
Yeah.
Look at that. Amazing work as usual.
Thank you. Can't wait to see it go.
It's gonna be quite the monster, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
And you'll be back to take care of these as well?
Of course, yeah. Anything else they need? Heat shields for the gas tank, I think, and whatever else they need.
Sweet. Well, we'll see you back there.
Yeah, see you soon. It's crazy.
Howdy. All right, Mike.
What is this stuff?
this is all the stuff that you need for a marine engine.
Oh, okay. That's good.
We're building a boat here.
Oh, excellent. Like, look how thick this is. That'll make your wife smile.
Or cry.
Hey,
It's a demon.
it's not a diesel.
Okay, welding's done, engine is out, pretty much ready to go for all the other million things we gotta do to the demon build. So we'll be back tomorrow with Magic Mike to see how that goes. Yeah, thanks for watching. Here to White Rock Dodge. See you tomorrow.